Welcome to CleanEdge Tech. Today, we're reviewing the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop. This robot combines powerful vacuuming with sonic mopping and features a convenient self-emptying dock, making it a versatile choice for managing mixed floor types. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's dive into how the Shark Matrix Plus performs in real-world cleaning scenarios. The CleanEdge technology truly helps with walls and corners, which are often trouble spots for many robot vacuums. The self-empty dock is a major plus, as it drastically cuts down on how often you need to manually empty the robot's dustbin. Its integrated mopping feature brings real value by handling routine hard floor maintenance and helping keep surfaces clean. This combined vacuum and mop system is perfect for households seeking one robot to manage most of their daily floor cleaning needs. The Shark Matrix Plus delivers robust performance where it matters most, making it a reliable tool for keeping your floors clean every day. Next, let's consider the value offered by the Shark Matrix Plus for its price. The combination of vacuuming, mopping, and self-emptying creates a comprehensive convenience package that streamlines daily cleaning. Shark's established presence and wide distribution in the mainstream appliance market add significant brand trust and value. For mixed flooring types, this robot acts as a capable all-rounder, effectively tackling various surfaces in your home. It holds its own against competitors, although some premium brands might offer more in terms of app sophistication or advanced navigation. Considering its capabilities and brand reputation, this robot offers a compelling blend of features for its price point. Finally, let's explore the potential risks and common complaints associated with this robot. You will still need to manage the water tank and regularly clean the mop pads, as these are not fully automated tasks. The Shark app is functional and gets the job done, but it doesn't offer the deep customization or advanced features found in some rival platforms. Keeping floors clear of small items and cables is important, as clutter can still interrupt the robot's cleaning path. Shark benefits from established customer support channels and wide retail availability, which adds confidence for buyers. This robot offers solid safety and support, but like all combo cleaners, it requires some user attention for best results. The Shark Matrix Plus stands out as a strong, all-round combo robot. It's an excellent choice for mainstream buyers who prioritize balanced vacuuming and mopping with the convenience of an auto-empty dock. While it doesn't offer the deepest app features or most advanced obstacle avoidance, it delivers reliable daily performance from a trusted brand. This robot is highly recommended for its practical approach to automated floor care.